What's up, guys? My name is Kitonde, and today I'm going to show you the power of soft light in Photoshop. Yeah. Okay, let's move to Photoshop right now. This image right here now. Yeah, I took it a few months ago. If you are following on my Instagram page, you must have seen this picture I posted like about 2 months ago. Yeah. So today I'm going to show you guys how I edited this picture right here now. This is the raw picture of it, and this is the result. So we're going to close up this to get started. First, I have to crop it in Instagram size, which is 4 inches by 5 inches. So you have to balance the angles up right there, here also, and drag it up. Okay, I drag it a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Okay, and we have to balance it now. Yeah, I think it's okay, right? I'll click this icon here, this mark icon. Okay, here we are. So I'm going to advise you to duplicate this layer right here by right clicking on it and choose duplicate layer. Okay, let's rename it as main. Okay, click OK. So we have a new layer now, which is renamed by name main. Okay, for a picture like this, we have to remove these pimples here. We have to treat the pictures. So let's use this tool here called patch tool. The patch tool. So it's quite simple to use. You just have to select and replace, select and replace, select and replace, select and replace. So I won't waste much time on this. I won't waste much time at all. And if you really want the raw file, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get the raw file from. Okay, so don't worry, like if you like to work along with me the way I'm doing this, if you need the raw file, just check the description below. You're gonna see it. Okay, okay, make sure you take your time, make sure you take your own time, make sure you do that. Okay, I don't want to waste much time on this, but for you, you have to take your time. I don't want to pick everything up to save more time. But the most important thing is know how to use this to patch tool also. You can just select and replace it, a good one. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. So the next I'm gonna do for this kind of picture is I have to increase the brightness a little bit. Okay, by going to image, adjustment layer, and choose labels, and I'm going to drag it from here a little bit and drag it from here a little bit. Okay, let's say for why this is like 240. Let's click OK. Yeah, we're done. So the next thing you're gonna need to do is to change this to black and white, that is to desaturate it. And for you to do that, you have to go to image, adjustment, and choose desaturate, or use the command shortcut, which is shift control U. Click on, here we go. So you can differentiate it from the main background layer right here. Just let's up this on it. You can see. Okay, the next thing we are going to do right now is we have to apply the soft light effect right now. Okay, go to this icon right here, select it and choose gradients. Okay, a new dialog is going to display up for you. Then double tap this. Okay, we have so many presets, but you have to use this particular one called spectrum. Don't worry about this yet, don't worry about it at all, just do what I'm doing. Spectrum, gradient type solid, smoothness is 100. Just click OK, and make sure you cross-check this. Choose linear, it's already as default, angle 90, scale 100, and press OK, click OK. So here we go. Now you have to change the blending mode of this layer right here, which is the gradient view one. You have to change it here, right here. Change it to soft light. As you can see, we have many blending modes here, so change it to soft light. Oh, now you see what I'm saying? Okay, you can see some noise right here. Oh, sorry, I screwed up. So make sure you cross-check that. Don't just screw up. Let me choose it, soft light. Okay, you can see some noise right here. We have noise right here. So for us to remove that, click on this layer, the main layer, not the background layer, the main layer. Trust me guys. So you have to go to image, adjustment, and choose levels. Okay, and drag from here, drag till you feel it's okay. Let's say 11. I think 12 is better. Yeah, okay, I think we're done. That is it guys, that is how to do it right here. If you really enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't just subscribe alone, try as much as possible to ring the bell so you'll be among the people to get notified whenever I upload a new video for you guys. You know I'm here for you. Remember, if I can do this, you can also do this. Okay, bye for now.